Ang kasal ay pagtataya ng sarili. Ngunit hindi lamang pagtataya, ito ay may kasamang pananampalataya.
When I close my eyes, you're standing next to me.
Samasan mo yung kay, yung pamilya na. Bilib ko kayo. Wala akong masabi kayo. Basta, panikang manalig kay Babo. Yang panabiling ko kayo ito. Una, hindi lang kay Babo. Kadwa, rempengari mo. Ikalugod ko sana. Congrats.
Jessica, kusang lubgang di natangketi, mamong ibuklod ing sarili mo, king lugod at kasuywan king maging asawa mo.
Opo.
Ika naman, Justin, kusang lubga naman di natangketi, mamong ibuklod ing sarili mo, king lugod at kasuywan king maging asawa mo. Opo.
I can pass the time, spend each day of mine with you on my mind. I can draw the lines between you and I. Hold you by my side for the rest of my life. Like time standing still whenever I'm with you in a field of
For
daffodils.
more than 10 years, I knew that you were the one I would marry. I knew that we would come to this moment because of the love that binds us together.
Year 2015, nag-message siya sa akin. At that time, bago pa siya mag-message, nakikita ko na siya. Idol ko na siya, mag-basketball actually.
May gumbisaging simpleng text, hey, at miras king, hey, ikaw ang una, at hey, ikaw ang una.
Swear I'm going head over heels, but honestly I'm so shocked, 'cause when you came in my life I
Nay,
started
Tay, kaya thank you, king kaya gana-gana, at kasal ko mo, pero magstay ko pa rin. Ako pa rin itang baby girl yun na lagi nga tsuken, potang kailangan nyo, at lagi yung ayaws, anytime. So, love you, love you, love you, ma. Love you,
Di
love you.
mawari kung bakit ikaw ang napili. Pinipintig ng aking damdamin, but it's so crazy, can't believe I can say that I'm yours and you're mine.
To my husband, this gift symbolizes our journey together, a path filled with love, laughter, and dreams. From now on, you will never walk alone because I'll be your side on every step of the way. I love you so much. Love, your wife.
Yeah.
Love you.
You're here by my side, I feel the warmth I can't hide. Nagsimula lang naman sa asaran, ngunit ikaw ang kailangan kong walang hanggan. So baby, don't let me go, 'cause I don't wanna be here all alone. Oh, di mawari kung bakit ikaw ang napili. Pinipindig ng aking damdamin,
the love that every woman deserves to feel. Thank you for staying even when things weren't easy.
Ikang magsilbing briefing kang hindi na siyang sumasalo at pumipigil kapag nagagalit na ako.
Here's an adventure, here's a change. It might take a minute, but you'll be a-okay. Here's a sky for the pie and everything is possible.
Accept this watch as a present of my commitment to you. This watch represents more than just time, but lifelong love. I love you till the end of time. Love, Dada. Yes, thank you so much.
Yeah, it's your time to the finish line. You've got what it takes. No foot on the brakes, 'cause the world is yours.
Sabi ang katang mangarap at pagbuong pamilyang kapangarapan tamo dati po. Sa hirap man o sa ginhawa, sa lungkot o saya, sa sakit o sigla, hindi ko bibitawan ang iyong mga kamay. Hey, I love you.
Now, as I stand here in front of God and in front of our loved ones, I vow to love you, to cherish you, to respect you, and to stay and support you in every lifetime.
Yeah, it's your time to the finish line. You've got what it takes. No foot on the brakes, 'cause the world is yours. Yeah, it's your time to the finish line. You've got what it takes. No foot on the brakes, 'cause the world is yours.
The world may give you 1,000 reasons to just give up. But oh, as you love, para king balang metong at karing kepong maging anak.
Yeah, it's your time